Hello guys, it's Trader Nixon here again. It is how to trade from beginner to pro with Trader Nixon. Make sure you like this video, share. And today we are talking about stakeholders in the Forex market or market hierarchy. Market hierarchy or stakeholders in the Forex market. If I'm talking about stakeholders in the Forex market, then I'm talking about, you know, what we call market players. And market players obviously are people who are having huge investment, huge funds, huge amount of money in the forex market, floating in a forex market. Could be in a day, could be in a week, could be in a month, could be any time frame that you can even guess in the forex market, right? And so now the market players or the big players in the market that I could list for you is hedge funds. Number one, hedge funds. So hedge funds are basically fund management firms that take huge amount of monies from investors to, telling them, okay, we know how to manage or invest into various assets and manage them effectively for you to, acquire some profit or have some profit at the end of a particular period. So they have huge amount of money and they also invest into the forex market. Then we have the big banks. If we are talking about banks, then we are first of all having to talk about investment banks. Investment banks also have huge capital in regards to people, coming into investment banks. So we want to invest with you. So the bank will basically tell these clients that, okay, we are going to give you 10%, we are going to give you 5%, we are going to give you this amount of percentage, but then they'll take all this money and then, split the money and invest some into the forex market. Then we talk about even, your normal banks, right? Your normal banks also having to play a role in the forex market. If you want to exchange, your currency into another foreign currency, if you have to be if you appear in another man's land, then you have to visit the banks or forex bureaus, right? So when you visit the banks directly, whatever exchange you make from your local currency to that foreign currency, it is also counting on the forex market as well. I mean, if you go to the banks, they have the amount they buy a particular currency and the amount they sell a particular currency, which is even different from the floating exchange rate that we have on the market, because that's how the bank even makes money, right? In regards to foreign exchange. Come to think of it, right? So that's it. And then we have, huge institutions also investing into the forex market. One thing that you don't know is huge institutions, as well as you also want to make a quick buck or some money from the forex market. Institutions also want to invest into the forex market and make some bucks, as well. So institutions, you can name them. Any firm could also invest into the forex market. Then we have retail traders. See, one thing that we are not paying attention to as traders, especially in the retail side of things, is that now retail traders are getting there's a lot of population there. The numbers are increasing day by day, right? And if you accumulate all these funds that retail traders slap on the forex market in a day, 24 hours, we are also big stakeholders in the forex market. Because if I slap my $100, $200, another person or another retail trader individual also slap their money, I mean chicken change. But then when you accumulate all across the world, then it is making sense. It's making a statement, right? So retail traders, somebody will say, how is it that the forex market is having to, have a floating exchange, a floating funds to be more than, $800 billion, right? In a single day. Where's the money coming from? I've just given you track record of people who play big players in the forex market. It is what it is, right? So from the big banks, from the investment banks, from the hedge funds, from the big institutions that you can name all across the world, and from the retail traders, if you accumulate the funds that they also slap on the forex market. So that is it with the hierarchy in regards to key players in terms of funds on the forex market. My name is Jordan.